Good morning. We're on the record. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, and in accordance with DC Code Section 2-571(h) of the Open Meetings Act, OMA, I am welcoming you to the regular scheduled meeting of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board. This meeting is being conducted pursuant to guidance made available by the District of Columbia's Office of Open Government regarding electronic meetings held by public bodies. Electronic meetings by the ABC Board are authorized pursuant to Section 2-577A of the DC Code. Pursuant to the OMA requirements, notice of today's meeting was provided 48 hours in advance of the meeting on ABCA's website and on the District Central meeting calendar. The notice includes the time, date, agenda, and the call-in or login information for public participation. This electronic meeting is being hosted by a WebEx account provided by the District of Columbia government. Please address any questions or complaints to the OOG at opengovoffice@dc.gov. My name is Donovan Anderson. I'm chairperson of the board. I would like to introduce the other members of the board who are also participating electronically. Mr. Silas Grant.
Mr. Silas Grant, present.
Ms. Terry Janine Quinn.
Terry Janine Quinn, present.
Mr. David Meadows.
Good morning, Mr. David Meadows, present.
The board has 4 members in attendance for the conduct of business today, and that constitutes a quorum. Before we get underway with today's hearing calendar, I need to make a few instructions very clear so that the conduct of these hearings is understood by everyone. There are 12 cases scheduled for our calendar today. Once your case is called, I will take a moment for IT specialists to elevate the rights for each party to enable their camera and microphone. Then and only then will you have the ability to enable your equipment. If your case is not being heard, you will remain mute and your camera will be disabled. At the conclusion of each case, the parties will have the option to leave. If the party chooses to stay, all cameras and microphones for the concluded case will be disabled. Should you have any questions or require technical assistance during the hearing, please submit them using the question and answer feature. Our first order of business today, it's a protest hearing case number 25 PRO 00080, Proper Exotica. This hearing, for the parties that were involved in this case, so this hearing, the protest hearing status is, this hearing is canceled. The next case in our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00078, Sliced and Brewed Restaurant, license number 115871. Good morning, Mr. Oriana. Can you please elevate the parties in this case?
Good morning. Richard Bianco, your access has been elevated, and Frank Chauvin, access elevated. That is all, Chairman.
Thank you. Mr. Chauvin, do you have a camera? You can come on camera, sir. Mr. Chauvin, are you there?
Sending him a request to unmute.
Thank you. Mr. Chauvin, I can't hear you or see you. I see you've raised your hand, so you need to unmute yourself on camera and come on camera, sir. Are you able to come on camera?
Can you hear me?
I can now hear you, sir. All right.
Good morning. Thank you. And I'm trying to register my camera here.
All right, it's fine. Well, we can start while we wait. Mr. Bianca, good morning. Can you please identify yourself for the record?
Sure, Mr. Chairman. Richard Bianco, counsel for the applicant in this case.
Mr. Chauvin, can you please identify yourself for the record by spelling and stating your name, sir?
Yes, Frank Chauvin, Frank, Chau, V as in Victor, IN as in Nancy, and I am the representative for the Westminster Neighborhood Association.
All right, good morning. Hold on 1 minute, please. All right, are there any preliminary matters in this case?
So the applicant doesn't have anything for the board right now, but just by way of giving the boards a heads up, we very recently filed a motion to dismiss, literally just this morning. I'd be surprised if Mr. Chauvin's even seen it yet, so there's nothing for the board to do with it now. But once it's ripe, the board could handle it in the ordinary course. So I'm just making the board aware.
Thank you for that representation, Mr. Bianco. Mr. Chauvin?
I'm not certain what the request or motion to dismiss is about. According to the regulations, we have filed a announcement notice of our meeting to vote on the protest within 7 calendar days preceding, and notified the applicant of such.
Well, as I stated before, as Mr. Bianco stated, he filed a motion this morning. The board hasn't seen it, and so my assumption is that you should have a copy, and then you'll have a period of time to respond. And once you have responded, then the board will rule on the motion. Are there any other preliminary matters?
Nothing from the applicant.
Mr. Chauvin, any for you? No?
Well, two things. Because we are novices and community members and citizens. Would you please explain to me what the requirement is on the response to a request? Is it 30 days?
No, it's not 30 days, but our legal office will inform you how much time you have to respond to the motion that's filed. Okay, I can't I can't say to you but our legal office will inform you the timeline that you have to respond, and once that timeline has expired, then the board will vote on
Thank
the
you for that.
motion.
Then I will look out for their further comment on that. And then secondly, preliminary. No, so nothing preliminary. I guess everything I have to say now is with respect to this status hearing.
All right. Well, so this protest hearing is scheduled. This protest, our legal office will send you an email and provide you some guidelines when it is that you need to provide a response. All right. So this protest hearing is scheduled for October 29th at 1:30 p.m. Um, are the parties familiar with the protest proceedings?
Yes, Mr. Anderson.
Mr.
Yes,
Chauvin?
sir.
I just want to remind you that the PIP, if this matter goes to a protest, you are required to file your PIP 7 days prior to the hearing. The board is, if the PIP has not been timely filed, the board is empowered to prevent that site from relying on documents and witnesses that have not been timely disclosed. So just reminding you that if this matter goes to a hearing, your PIP with the documents and witnesses are due 7 days prior to the hearing. Okay?
Understood.
All right. Thank you for being here this morning. Have a great day.
Thank you.
The next case on our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00064, the Great American Bistro Oasis DC, license number 116742. This hearing has been canceled due to submission of a settlement agreement for the board's consideration and approval. The next case on our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00076, Apayo, license number 94795. Ms. Doriana, can you please elevate the rights of the parties in this case?
Good thing. Prince Matei, access elevated, and I don't see the ANC, but I'll ask in the chat.
So we're looking for someone from ANC 1B. Is there anyone from ANC 1B on the line?
Access elevated. Stephen
Okay.
Hanrahan, access elevated.
All right, thank you. Can the parties come on come on camera, please? Prince Matei, are you able to come online? Are you able to come on camera?
Yes, I think I'm on camera.
No,
If I'm-
sir. If you're not on camera because I can't see you, but I can hear you. Anyway, sir. So can you please identify yourself for the record?
Yes, my name is Prince Matei.
Can you spell your name, please, sir, and your relationship to the establishment?
Prince, Prince, Matei, Matey, and I am the owner of Apio
All right.
LTC.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir. Mr. Hannaran, can you please spell and state your name for the record and your representation, sir?
Yes, Stephen Hanrahan, Hanrahan. I am Commissioner for ANC 1B.
Good morning, sir. Mr. Matei, are there any preliminary matters you need to bring to the attention of the board? Not substantive, but like any preliminary, like if you have any problems communicating or anything like that, sir?
No, I do not have any communication problems.
All right. Mr. Hannaran, any preliminary matters you need to bring to the attention of the board?
No preliminary. We're trying to work to get to settlement agreement. We have some draft language. I guess we just need to review it, vote on it, do what we need to do.
All right. Well, this matter is, so let me ask, this matter is scheduled for a protest hearing on October 29th at 1:30 p.m. I mean, do the parties believe that this case will be settled?
Yes.
And the reason I'm asking, so can you let the agency know so we do not have to advise an investigator to do a case report? That's one of the reasons why I asked. So if you truly believe this matter is gonna be settled, you can both parties can jointly advise the agency that they believe that this case is going to be settled, so the agency doesn't need to assign an investigator to this case. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Matei, any questions on your side, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Well, thank you very much for you being here today. Good luck with your good luck with your settlement discussions. And as stated before, the parties can jointly inform the agency that they believe that this matter is going to be settled, so there's no need for the agency to assign an investigator to this case. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. You have a great day.
You do the
Thank you,
same.
Mr. Anderson.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. All right, then. Bye-bye. All right, the next case on our calendar is case number, we're now moving to a show cause hearing status, case number 25 CMP 00044, Tipsy Lounge and Restaurant, license number 11141. And Mr. Oriana, can you please elevate the government and the licensee in this case, please?
Good thing. Cameron Mixon, your access has been elevated, and Alicia Hogan-Miller, access elevated, and that appears to be all terms.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Hogan-Miller. Can you please identify yourself for the record?
Good morning, Assistant Attorney General Alicia Hogan-Miller, ALYCIA on behalf of the government.
Good morning. Mr. Mixon, please identify yourself for the record.
Cameron Mixon, counsel for the respondent, CAMERON MIXON.
Good morning, sir. Ms. Hogan-Miller, are there any preliminary matters in this case?
Nothing from the government.
Mr. Mixon?
And none for respondent.
All right, then, if this matter is not settled, the show cause hearing is scheduled for October 22nd at 1:30 p.m. Just want to remind the parties that 7 days prior to the hearing, you are required to file documents and witnesses that each side will rely upon at the hearing. Failure by either side to disclose the document 7 days before the hearing, the board is empowered to prevent that side from relying on the documents and or witnesses that have not been disclose timely. Any questions?
None from the government.
No, Mr. Chair.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day. The next case on our calendar is case number 25-251-00011, Live K, license number 121178. This case has been canceled. The next case on our calendar is case number 25 CMP 00043 Soundbar, license number 122864. Ms. Oriana, can you please elevate the rights of the licensee in this case?
That is all, Chairman.
All right, thank you. Ms. Hogan-Miller, can you please identify yourself for the record?
Assistant Attorney General Alicia Hogan-Miller, ALYCIA HOGENMILLER, on behalf of the government.
Good morning. All right, the licensee is not here. However, at show cause hearing status, there is no requirement for the licensee to appear. If this matter is not settled, it is then scheduled for a show cause hearing on October 22nd at 10:30 a.m. We'd like to remind the parties that 7 days before the hearing, the parties are required to disclose documents and witnesses that they will rely upon at the hearing. Failure by either side to disclose documents and witnesses 7 days prior to the hearing, the board is empowered to prevent that side from relying on those documents. All right? Thank you, Ms. Hogan-Miller.
Thank you.
All right. The next case on our calendar is case number 25 CIT 00070 Doghouse, license number 123111. This case is canceled due to the submission of an offer in compromise to the board for its review and approval. The next case on our calendar, it's a summary action hearing on case number 25 ULC 00057, Sky's the Limit, unlicensed cannabis retailer. This hearing has been rescheduled for October 25th at 1:30 p.m. We now move to our 1:30 calendar. The first case on our calendar for 1:30, it's a protest hearing case number 25 PRO 00038 Ambar, license number 90240. This protest hearing has been rescheduled to November 5th at 1:30 p.m. The next case on our calendar for the afternoon is case number 25 PRO 00010 International House of Prayer for All People, license number 130347. This protest hearing is also rescheduled for October 22nd at 1:30 p.m. And the last case on our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00025 Nando's Peri Peri, license number 97889. This hearing has been rescheduled to November 5th at 1:30 p.m. And we're now at the end of our calendar for the day, and we will now do our legal agenda. So the first agenda we will do this morning is our legal agenda alcohol. The first matter on our legal agenda alcohol is a review of a settlement agreement dated September 15th, 2025 by and between the Colorama Citizens Association and the Karma Hookah Bar, license number 133230. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. The next case on our calendar, on our agenda, it's this is for case number 25 CIT 00070. It is Doghouse, license number 123111, and this is an offer in compromise. The offer in compromise read as follows. For charge 1, failed to file the required quarterly statement, the first, second tier violation of statutory authority, DC Code Section 25-113B2A. There is a $250 fine payable within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid, and the party is required to submit pending quarterly statement if not submitted as yet. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree with the compromise.
Mr. Jones. I'm sorry, Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. The next case in our calendar is a review of a precipice for dismissal. This is for case number 25-251-00011. It's Live K, license number 121178. I make a motion that we approve this dismissal. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, the second motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 4, review of the 5th emergency rulemaking on the North Shore Moratorium Zone. I make a motion that we approve this rulemaking. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 5, review of 4th emergency rulemaking on the Langdon Park Moratorium Zone. I make a motion that we approve this rulemaking. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. We now move to our legal agenda, medical cannabis. And the first matter on this agenda is review of an offer in compromise. This is for case number 25 ULC 00022. It is Sheridan Market. And the offer in compromise is as follows. Number 1, landlord affirms that to the best of their knowledge, the unlicensed establishment has permanently vacated the premises and has not made a claim to continued tenancy. Number 2, landlord acknowledges that it is responsible for returning any property owned by the unlicensed establishment that remains in the premises and over which the unlicensed establishment has a legal right of return. Number 3, a landlord agrees to not knowingly lease the premises to any unlicensed cannabis distributors at any time in the future. Number 4, landlord agrees to notify ABCA's supervisor investigator Jason Peru at jason.peru@dc.gov when it has leased the premises to a new tenant and to provide all identifying information concerning the new tenant, including the business name and owner. Number 5, within 14 days of the execution of this agreement, ABCA will make the keys to the premises available to the landlord for pickup at its offices or at another mutually agreed upon date and time. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 2, review of a motion to dismiss. This is for DC Garden Hill Noma LLC. This is in case number 25 CMP 00077. The license number is 128404. I make a motion that we continue this matter for a week. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Number 3, review of public comment. This is regarding proper exotica. This is an FYI for the board. The next agenda, the next agenda is the legal agenda, alcohol addendum, and there is an offer in compromise. This is for case 24 CIT 00452. Excuse me, Baby Shank, license number 121545. And the offer in compromise is as follows. Charge 1, failed to file the required quarterly statement, period, January 24th through March of 24. Secondary tier violation within 2 years. Statutory authority, DC Code Section 25-113B2A and 23 DCMR Section 1207.1. There's a fine of $500 paid within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. Other terms, respondent will submit to ABCA any quarterly statements that have not yet been submitted. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 4-0. We now move to our licensing agenda. The first matter on our licensing agenda, it's the review application for safekeeping of license. This is for Maman, license number 132331. I make a motion that we approve this matter through March 31st, 2026. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. I will have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. What I am gonna do moving forward, I'm gonna review the other 15 applicants on this agenda. I will provide some recommendations, and at the end, I will ask that the ABC board members approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair. The number 2, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for M Street Entertainment, LLC, license number 119608. Recommendation approved through March 31st, 2026. Number 3, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Cork and Bottle Wine and Spirits, license number 125746. Recommendation approved through March 31st, 2026. Number 4, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Bourbon and More, license number 122551. Recommendation approved through March 31st, 2026. Number 5, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is Wine and Spirit Depot, license number 126931. Recommendation approved through March 31st, 2026. Number 6, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Wine and Spirits, license number 126840. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. Number 7, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Ethyl Melito. It's spelled ETHIOMELOTI Inc. License number 130199. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. Number 8, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is Me Casa, license number 11769. I'm sorry, license number 117679. Recommendation approval, March 31st, 2026. Number 9, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Meli Meze Club, license number 117790. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. Number 10, review application extend safekeeping of license. This is for Taki Taki, license number 131157. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. Number 11, review application extend safekeeping of license. This is for Young AHN Corporation, license number 133555, recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. Number 12, review a request to extend safekeeping to include the second floor. This is for Corey Ura, and it's spelled Koryouri. The last name is spelled Urara. The license number is 131188, recommendation placard. Number 13, review request to remove the street endorsement from the license. This is for Legacy High Five, license number 129925, recommendation approval. Number 14, review request to remove the carry out and delivery endorsement from the license. This is for the Showtime, license number 089186, recommendation approval. Number 15, review request to remove the street endorsement from the license. This is for Mr. Smith Georgetown, license number 000927, recommendation approval. And number 16, review request for the approval to provide a gift of prepared food for customer sampling that doesn't exceed $500 in value to Good Old Reliable Liquor, license number 117743. The request is being made by Republic National Distribution Company, license number 076499, recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
He's
I'm
not.
sorry, Mr. Anderson, I agree. I'm sorry. The matter passes 4-0. All right, so let's now move to our wait 1 minute. All right. So now let's do our. So we did the licensing agenda. So now let's do our the alcohol license supplemental agenda. There are 3 requests on this agenda. I will review all 3, and then I'll make some recommendations. Then I'll ask the ABC board members to approve the recommendation. So number 1, review request for temporary operator retail permit. This is for Santa Queen, license number 134035. I make a motion that the recommendation of approval. Number 2, review request to remove license from safekeeping for reopening. This is for Silo's Angels, license number 131487. Recommendation approval. Number 3, review application for change of hours. This is for Onyx Rooftop Lounge, license number 130390, recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC Board approve the recommendations put forth by the chair for the alcohol license supplemental agenda. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Let's do our cancellation agenda. The ABC board will be canceling the following license for the reasons outlined below. This is S&M Sports Lounge, license number 129610. I make a motion that we approve the cancellation. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn,
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion.
Mr. Meadows, Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 3-0. I'm sorry, the matter passed 4-0. What is going on with me this morning? I apologize. I'm trying to do too many things while I'm doing this vote. All right. Let's now move to our temporary one-day substantial change docket. On the temporary one-day substantial change docket, there are 11 applications. I will review all the 11, and I will make some recommendations, and I'll ask the ABC board members to approve the recommendation as put forth by the chair. Number one, a request from Max Zuckerman for one-day license class F. This is for wedding. This is for November 1st. The license number is 133978. 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number two, a request from Oscar Barrera, one-day license class F, corporate reception. This is September 29th. License number 134011, 30 attendee, 1 security guards, recommendation approval. Number three, a request from Tatiana, Tatjana Rodriguez, one-day license class G, private event. This is September 25th and September 26th. The license number is 133961. 500 attendees, 12 security guards, recommendation approval. Number four, request from Antoinette Hudson, one-day license class G festival, October 4th. License number 133968, 2,500 attendees, 20 security guards, recommendation approval. Number five, a request from Fikmariam, Fikremarariam, Belay, Belay, one-day license class G for baptism, September 28th. The license number is 133970, 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number six, a request from Joseph Lapan, Lapan, one-day license class G for block party, October 12th. The license number is 133979. 2,000 attendees, 14 security guards, recommendation approval. Number seven, a request from Patrick D. Batista, one-day license class G, a block party, October 4th. The license number is 134010. 200 attendees, 4 security guards, recommendation approval. Number eight, a request from Patrick D. Batista, one-day license class G, dance, October 4th. License number 134010. 200 attendees, 4 security guards, recommendation approval. Number nine, a request from Emil Stekov, Stefkov, one-day license class G dinner event. This is October 26th to October 29th. The license number is 134013. 42 attendees, 4 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 10, a request from Daniel Daly, one-day license class G pre-opening event. This is October 1st through October 4th. License number is 134019. 100 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 11, a request from the Salt Line, one-day substantial change, live entertainment, nature of the substantial change, to change the license off premises at 79 Potomac Avenue Southeast. This is October 12th. The license number is 102592. Substantial change license is 25 SC 01180. Recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC Board approves the recommendations that's put forth by the chair for the board's temporary license, excuse me, and one-day substantial change docket. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn. Ms. Quinn.
Oh, Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. So let's now do the alcohol license administrative docket. On the alcohol license administrative docket, there are 22 applications, and without objection, I make a motion that ABC Board members approve the alcohol license administrative docket for Wednesday, September 24th. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. Now let's move to the medical cannabis licensing agenda. On this agenda, there are 5 requests. I will review all 5, and at the end, I will make a recommendation that I will make recommendations, and then I'll ask that make a motion that the ABC board members approve the recommendations that's put forth by the chair. Number 1, review of new product with 40 milligram of THC per serving. This is the request from Easy Day Edibles, license number 126412. I make the recommendation is to deny this request because medical cannabis items are limited to 20 milligram of THC per serving. Number 2, review of upstream copper transfer KEA LLC to KVEC LLC, license number 128728, recommendation approval. Number 3, review of request to change license class from social equity applicant conditional retailer to social equity applicant conditional internet retailer from La Bodega LLC. Recommendation denial because medical cannabis businesses are not allowed to change class types. Number 4, review of transfer request of standard application conditional cultivation center to Power of Plants LLC. The request has been made from 24-Hour Consulting LLC, trade name THC, license number 126761, recommendation approval. And number 5, review of standard application for a new cultivation center license, Tier 1, Power of Plants LLC, license number 126761, recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that the ABC board members approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair for the medical cannabis licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll now have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. And the last agenda item that we have this morning, it's our medical cannabis license administrative docket. There is 1 applicant on this docket. And so without objection, I make a motion that ABC board approves the recommendations on this docket to approve to approve it pending reduction of one retail license held by Sushas, S-U-H-A-S, Katara, K-A-T-A-R-I-A. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. We're now at the end of our agenda item for the day, and since the board has no further business for the day, we will adjourn for the day. So let me close our meeting. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, in accordance with Title III, Chapter 405, Office of Open Government, I move that ABC Board hold a closed meeting on October 1st for the purpose of discussing and hearing reports concerning ongoing or planned investigations of alleged criminal or civil misconduct or violations of law or regulations, and seeking legal advice from our legal counsel on the board's investigative agenda, legal agenda, and licensing agenda for October 1st, as published in the DC Register on September 26th. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 4-0. As the motion has passed, I hereby give notice that ABC Board will hold this closed meeting. Pursuant to the Open Meetings Act, notice will also be posted on ABC Board Hearing Room Bulletin Board, placed on electronic calendar on ABCA's website, and published in the DC Register in as timely a manner as practical. The board is now adjourned for the day. I want to thank all members of the public who participated in our hearings today and our board members who participated in our hearings. We're now adjourned for the day. I now ask all board members to return to executive session for further action. Good morning and thank you.